Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a quick update on how 303's Graphene Nano Spray Coating is holding up on my 2021 TRD Pro Tacoma. I shot this footage about 2 months ago, and at the time, the coating had been on the truck for about 3.5 months. At this point, I've already washed the truck, so what you're seeing here on the driver's side fender is the water behavior on a clean surface. I applied this coating back in December of 2020, and even after a few months of winter driving here in New York, you can see that the water is still sheeting and beading off the panel. As I bring you in for a closer look, you can see how the water is pulling together and sheeting off quickly after being sprayed. So, for the hood and other areas that don't see as much contamination, there is definitely more beading action going on. I'll show you the doors and tailgate here in just a moment, and you'll see some slightly different behavior. Looking back, one of the questions I have is how this product would perform with multiple layers. 303 recommends applying as many as 3 different layers, but I only went with a single layer here to get me through the New York winter. I've got some more plans for this truck, but I'm not going to spoil the surprise. I'll just say that if you've seen my videos before, you can probably guess what I'll be doing next. So, I mentioned that the product was behaving a little differently here on the doors. We're still getting some beading and sheeting, especially on the upper portions of the door panel, but the sheeting is definitely slowing down a bit on the lower sections. You can see similar water behavior here on the tailgate. For me personally, this is no surprise at all. These areas are among the most contaminated on the vehicle, so it makes perfect sense to why we would see degraded performance from the coating. I think the more important thing to note here is that the coating is still there. Water may be slow to sheet off, but it isn't sticking to the panels for long. Now, if you're interested in trying this product yourself, I would highly encourage you to apply more than 1 layer. A single layer should get you anywhere from 4 to 6 months of protection, whereas 3 layers should provide the full 12 months that 303 advertises. Overall, I think this is a decent product. My only complaint so far has been on the removal, but it's really not that bad when you know what to expect. The product is still extremely easy to use, so if you're a weekend warrior like me, this is something I would definitely keep in my cabinet. So one last thing before we close this out. I thought it'd be good to include a quick update on the glass coating. I applied Gtechniq's G1 to all the exterior glass on the same day I did the 303 graphene spray. As you can see here, the water behavior is just amazing. If you're looking for a glass coating, I would definitely check this stuff out. A kit for one vehicle will cost around $20 and it should last you about 1.5 years. I'll add a link in the description below if anyone's interested. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. Until next time, this is Ryan with Allison Detailing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.